It starts with a single step. In an environment that demands everything, the first challenge is simply standing your ground. Every drop of sweat is a testament to the grit required to build where others see only emptiness. Every great structure begins not with steel or concrete, but with people. Engineering at speed, precision in every frame. A sanctuary rises from the haze to the shade. Built for the extreme, engineered for relief. This is progress. This is the human element protected. Labor Break Time Tent by Bait Al Nokhada. Excellence under any sky.